In this video, I'll show you how to install one of these Sharkbite fittings on a copper pipe. So you're going to want to get one of these deburring tools, and this will also help you to measure and mark how far it needs to be on the pipe. So I'm just going to go up to my pipe. This is a 1/2 inch pipe, so I'll slide that over there. You just twist it back and forth, and then you can mark with a pencil or Sharpie where you need to be. Then you're just going to take your new fitting. The side with the little rubber gasket goes on the pipe, and you're just going to want to kind of do a quick push and slide it on. And then you'll check to make sure that the end of this lines up with where your pencil marks were. And if it does, you should be good to go.